In this video I'm going to explain some points to contribute to open source. So let's get started. The first point is personal chats, and it is one of the most important point. Most of the times I have seen that the new contributors are preferring private chat rather than using public chat rooms, hence it becomes very hectic if you think that the mentor to give individual replies. Also it becomes a repetitive task if the same query is raised by other developers while using personal chat. Therefore it is advised to use public chat rooms. So this cover up our first point, personal chat. The second point is that all pull requests should be associated with an issue. So this point I have an image to explain better. Here it can be seen that the contributor Ishan Chahar, if that's the name, Ishan Chahar, has contributed to the project without associating it with the issue, which makes it hard actually for the project admin in reviewing it. Hence it is not a good practice contributing to open source project in this manner. Therefore one must associate their pull request or PR with respect to the issue. The third point is that all PRs, here PR is pull request, all PRs need to be assigned to the person working on it. So the third point I have an image also to explain better. You must have known that it is advised to always request the project admin. I mean, it is obvious to request the project admin first to undertake the issue before initiating any work on it, else it may cause unnecessary conflict between the two contributors. Like here you can see that Munib, GH and Black Viking have some conflict between an issue. So you must first undertake the issue under the admin consideration. So the fourth point comes is that never give a pull request to the master branch. And what I mean by that is that base branch, master branch is what is master branch actually? Let us understand first. Master branch is the base branch, which is the most important part of any repository. So it is advised to never give your pull request to the master branch, as it is the base branch, and if there is any conflict in your pull request, like Vikas Pandey has a conflict, so it can affect the repository heavily. Therefore it is better to create another branch for your own PR. Now the fifth point is that be sure to have an updated repository before submitting any pull request. And to avoid merge conflicts, like here you can see that the merge conflict. To avoid this merge conflict, update your forked repository before giving any PR by using pull command. And if another developer makes any changes in the source code and you still have the old source, then it will become hard for Git to judge what to accept or what not to. Hence always work on an updated repository. So hit a like if you like this video, and share this video if you like it. Thanks for your valuable time. See you in the next video.
कभी ना जाए सहलाए संभालो हमको, सभी से आगे जाए, हम ही हैं उनके प्यारे, सभी से आगे जाए। ठंडी हवा हम ही तो है तुम्हारे खास।